Manipal Hospital launches state-of-the-art dialysis unit in Bangalore today. Manipal Hospital at Old Airport Road today unveiled a dialysis unit with advanced facilities and easy accessibility for patients. It is one of the largest dialysis centers in Bangalore and is supported with a broad range of technologies. The event was graced in the presence of Dr. H. Sudarshan Balal, chairman of Manipal Hospitals, and Sapthami Gowda, a renowned actress from the Kannada film industry.
Really happy that I'm associated, that I got to be a part of this inauguration ceremony of a state-of-the-art facility that they're opening, the nephrological department today. Dialysis, as the chairman of Manipal Hospitals, Dr. Sudarshan Balar already said, about 1 lakh to 2 lakh patients are being undergoing dialysis today throughout the country. So for them to provide such a state-of-the-art dialysis center where there's no human interaction when it comes to before the water mixing, as they said, is the core of a good dialysis center. So for them, that there's nobody carrying the cans and no mixing happening, but the central system that's doing everything today. Physical activity and our lifestyles should change. Our look towards what we put into our body, be it food or anything, has to change. And I think all of us should make health our priority. Without that, I think the rest follows. Health is the priority.
So what's your mantra to keeping yourself fit, ma'am?
Probably, for me, it comes with the job. So but before that I was a national swimmer. So I've been into a sport since I was a kid. So with the job, I'm, there is definitely a physical activity that I do every single day to keep myself fit. It doesn't have to be anything, rigorous. You can pick up something that you enjoy. It can be dance, it can be anything that you pick up, and so a physical activity.
As you can see, this is our new state-of-the-art dialysis unit, and one of the most important things from a patient safety perspective and also wellness perspective is the water that is used for dialysis. What happens is, as the blood goes through the filter, it mixes with the dialysate, and the dialysate consists of the dialysis salts and also the water. The water has to be ultra pure because that comes in touch with the patient's blood. So we have a special double RO system, or reverse osmosis system, by Fresenius Germany, one of the first of its kind in the country, which gives water that's almost purer than distilled water. So from a patient's perspective, it's very safe. And the other thing is that this is a centralized dialysate mixage system. You might have seen elsewhere in the past, there were a lot of cans and fluids around dialysis patients because the dialysate was sucked in from one area, the salts from the other area, and the water in the third area. So then they would be later on mixed. Whereas we have it centrally delivered here so that it's neat, clean, and also hygienic. Then we have a close monitoring system of every patient, which is connected to a central monitor so that any kind of events during dialysis can be monitored. And we have 20 cubicles where we can do what's called as HDFs, or hemodialysis filtration, hemodiafiltration, which is an advanced form of dialysis, which gives better clearance of some molecules, safer and better quality of life for the patients. And we have about 38 stations in here for both hemodiafiltration and regular hemodialysis. And we have made it quite convenient for the patient, sort of comfortable for the patient, and most importantly, safe for the patients to undergo dialysis here. And we are proud that Manipal has always focused on good dialysis, and the proof of the pudding is that we have many patients now who have finished dialysis for more than 20 years, which is quite rare in our country. So it only speaks about the quality of dialysis. And what I want to emphasize is, for patients with severe kidney failure, of course, transplantation is still the best option, but people who cannot get a transplant for whatever reason can be on dialysis and still have a good quality and a reasonable longevity of life.